Hey Ashley, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas, and in this quick video I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you could beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. And so I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of these business owners still end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks on my sleeve and you want me to help you out with it? Give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay. This is free education with no strings attached. Now, Ashley, what I'm going to tell you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Content is everything on the front page of your website that Google crawls through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just phrases that people search into Google. So you want your content stuffed with things like fence repair in Arlington, Arlington Fences, stuff like that. Now, Google looks at authoritative websites nowadays as having 1,500 to 2,000 words on their front page, and that's all the text you can read, all the text behind your images, and what every image are saved as. So looking at your website here, Ashley, see you've got your logo up a couple times. It's really great. It helps create brand awareness. As far as content goes, you're definitely going to want some more. You only probably have about 200 words on this page. If that, you're going to want to have about 1,500 to 2,000. I also noticed that you're using a .business site, which is a free website from Google. It's a great starting point, but the problem is you can't really do any links to it, and you don't own the site, so you can't generate your own leads. So what you want to do is get your own website that you can put your own content on. And just another tip, whatever image is saved as, it says unnamed. You're going to want to save these as like flooring repair, Arlington, fence repair, Arlington, stuff like that. If you look at your main competitors, Affordable Fence Repair, these are the number 2 guys on Google. Number 1 is Yelp, and number 3 is Home Advisor. So I guess these are technically the number 1 guys. They have about 600 words on their front page, so you're definitely going to want to beat them out. And then if you look at Mark's Fence Report, they don't have that much at all, so 1,500, 2,000 words is going to dominate them. Now, content is king, but it's not the end-all, fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks. And backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest, and so they look at how many other websites are linking from their website to your website, driving traffic to your website. Not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fencing companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. So use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use, but it gives you a lot of really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. Now it says no data here, all this, because again, this is a Google site. You have no options of putting links on there. So I'll show you your competitors. These guys only have 3 websites pointing at them, and Mark's Fence Repair only has 8. That's great news. That's what we call low-hanging fruit in the industry. And what that means is as soon as you get your website up, you put that content up, you literally have to add like 10 websites pointing to you within the fencing industry, and you'll beat them. And in all reality, they probably don't even have fencing websites linking to them. They're probably they're literally just winning. Oh, they have 1. Fence repair. They're literally winning because no one else is contesting them. So you can take that number 1 spot really easily, okay? Last thing we're going to talk about is going to be citations. Citations are important because when someone types in fence repair Arlington TX, and they're looking to buy right away, they're going to typically call the first contract that shows up that is that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that contractor because those are the easiest customers to sell. Now, not all, many customers will skip these ads right here because 1, a lot of people have ad blockers, but there's also a large group of people out there that have bad experiences with those in the past, and so they just end up skipping them. So the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map pack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all really common ones. So a great strategy here is to go figure out what directories your competitors are in, go list yourself in those exact same directories, and then add a bunch more on top. I always recommend anywhere between 30 and 40% more. That way when you take that number 1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you. You only have to do a couple of hours of work per month to continue to hold that number 1 spot. So that's all I've got for you, Ashley. I hope you found this informative. What I went over for today was I'd recommend getting your own website and then adding about 1,500 words at the minimum on that front page. Once you get that website up with those words on it, you're going to want to add at least 10 websites pointing to you within the fencing industry. And then you're going to want to, you can do this right now with the website you have. Go find directories and the directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same exact directories, and add a bunch more on top. So Ashley, if you want to do this yourself, again, this is totally free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. All I ask you to give me a couple words of feedback as a response to this email so I can make these videos better in the future. If you want me to help you, our website is SEODallasTX.com. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. And if you're looking at our website on mobile, click this link and it goes right to our phones. Thanks for watching this, Ashley. Have a great day. Bye.